Everyone, this is Blue Fire Megacoaster at Europa Park with Horizon Lock. If you're only watching this on-ride video, I recommend that you watch our full vlog from Europa Park. And here comes the launch of Blue Fire.
Désolé, je pense qu'il y a un problème.
This is a great roller coaster, I can tell you that. Wow. So soft and comfortable and silent. Just as Helix at Liseberg. Wow, that was really good. Really good roller coaster.
Oh, real nice.
Really like that. I like Helix more. Helix is the superior coaster, I really think so. But this is really good.
Yeah, but I thought when you sit in the front, you don't get the drop.
No, the airtime is not the same, of course. But anyway, really good coaster. And made me really happy.
Yeah.
Best coaster of today. This is better than Can coaster. Yes, it is. So good.